Hello student, welcome to our channel. And if you are new here, consider subscribing by clicking on the red button below and turn on the bell icon in order not to miss many of my future videos. Initially I am starting Illustrator for you. So before starting starting Adobe Illustrator, there's something important I believe I should share with you. And first question Photoshop is good, but Illustrator is not that good or but Photoshop is good but Illustrator isn't that good, or Illustrator is good and Photoshop isn't good. Well, we cannot compare. We should not, as there's no competition, because you see Adobe is one company which making both softwares. So obviously it was not raise a between it not raise a war between its own productions. Photoshop has a different job of editing images, and Illustrator has a totally different job of making vectors illustrations. Okay, but for now, just understand that the software is where you can software is where you can design logos, icons, and similar small things. In fact, if you go to a higher level, you can design a lot of things besides it's a trend nowadays for flat designs, and also you design many mobiles apps and Illustrator. So Illustrator has big scope. Actually, Illustrator has big scope in digital world, digitally work. And if you learn it, the biggest advantages you get in is that you can earn money. Okay, if you learn it, and biggest advantages you get is that you can earn money. You can go online and earn money, and there are many websites there you can earn money online. But definitely you have to learn first. Okay, it's most important you can learn first. So let start. So there, that's our Illustrator, name Adobe Illustrator. That interface Illustrator look like this. Illustrator extension name is AI, like Photoshop extension name is PSD. Now Illustrator extension name is AI, and it's Illustrator made by Adobe company. Okay, now double click there. Okay. That's Adobe Illustrator, look like that. And that's 19872 2021 version, 21's version by Adobe. And that's it. That is your interface of Illustrator. Okay, that is the interface of Illustrator. And if you notice, if you'd have seen Photoshop, it's similar to that. So some extent, if you are seen here, first on the left side, first we create our page, a new page. Okay, so how to get new page? You also use there start a new file first. There more option, like there there's so many option. Look, letters, postcard, common, iPhone X, and they're all size file is have there more presets. You click more presets, that's all color. Okay, their option is recent, that's a recent use file they saved. Don't save any file. Their saved file option, we I don't save any files, so that's um don't show any file. Their mobile, they have mobile size, like Google Pixel and Surface, Nexus, and Apple Watch or Samsung iPad mini size. And you have your own phone size in there you can use pixels or point inches and so many options. That's a portrait or landscape, there are artboard. Okay, now we go web. There you see web pages file web page option, and size web page size. There is a print option. The printable page is common size. You can use your own size what you have. And there is film and video size. You see there, film and video size. There is art and illustration. Okay, that's a art and illustration size. That's a postcard size, and a poster size, and many size you have there. Okay, or one way you create a file, that's a create now. You click create now, and there is a same option is open. And there is one option is file. There also you click new file, shortcut keys control N. You also press control and open this file. Okay, and there is option is cloud document, share with you or deleted. Now you see that's a recent files. We recently used this, and that's a recent file. Okay, or open, that's open option. Open options, you use your worked file. I mean which file you working and complete, you want to complete this file, then you also use this open option. So now we use control N for new file. Control N, control N for new file. There are file option. Okay, you use there you press it. There you also use a name, or you also use their name, your file. Also save this your file name. And now and saves shortcut keys control S. And their option is pixel, point, pixels, inches, feet. And there so many option is points, millimeter, centimeter, yards, feet or inches matters. And now we use pixels. Okay, there is pixels option. We use some common size in pixel. It's 1280, and there 1080. Okay, that's a pixel size. There's a orientation is that's a portrait, and that's landscape. Okay, There's bleed top or top and bottom, left or right, and that you choose options and top and button, left and right options. Okay, we don't use this. And their color code is CMKY. Two color code they have, two color code. Adobe Illustrator had two color code, CMKY or RGB. And you also we use RGB or RGB. And there is a raster effect. There's high, medium screen and 36 ppi. We use high. And there you see there one more option is preview mode. The default pixel and overprint. Their mode setting, um the mode setting option. Okay. So you look, there's mode setting option. When see their mode setting option. There's more option there. Your name of artboard, which size, that's a same option, but there one option in templates. And create documents, we cancel this option. And now we click create. Create that. And see there our page is, here we have one page. Okay. And this is your illustrator's interface. And if you notice, if you have seen Photoshop, it's similar to that, to some extent. If you see here, first on the left side, this is the toolbar. Okay. If you see left side, there's a toolbar, that's called toolbar. And there are many tools, and here which you are going to use time to time to different tasks. And Illustrator interface is really interesting. And Illustrator interface is really interesting. You can move this from their place. See, move the, okay. From their places, and place back to this position, place back them. And place back them to, on the right side, that's right side. Isn't It's not a toolbar. Okay, isn't a toolbar, the right side, that's called panel instead. What? That's called panel instead. The two arrows here, see the two arrows in here, two arrows here. You click these two arrows. So this two arrows here. Okay. Clicking it, you can get enough detailed view. Okay. So first, we just see these icons, that's brushes panel, that's stroke panel, that's transparency panel, that's layer panel. But when we click this two arrows, that's called expand panel. Then you see this detail view. Okay. But now we sit there. drag it and sit there. When how to set this, when we drag it and come is closer, then you see there's one blue color sign. Now you control click your mouse. Okay, now it's joined. So our first one thing scene one thing we now open our new file, and this one more thing is artboard. Now we see what we create help of artboard. Okay. We click 4. Okay, now create. See, our page is divided in 4 part. See there, our page divided in 4 part for use of artboard. Okay. So now we go in direct in our toolbar. So our first tool is selection tool. Okay, see. And that's our toolbar's first option is selection tool. Okay, selection tool. And you see very carefully there is one arrow. Okay, this arrow shows that there are additional tools inside. Okay, that's not just one tool. When you see this types of arrow, but our selection tool don't have any arrow, so the selection tool don't have any additional tool. But there is one direct selection tool, it's have arrow, but it's have arrow, so it's have additional tool. Okay, to inside. Okay, only click and leave it. Only click this arrow. Only click this arrow and leave it. Then you will ask for, okay, this arrow. Now right click this arrow to see additional options, additional tools like direct selection tool or group selection tool. Now you see the pen tool, that's called pen tool. You right click here, then you say additional tools in pen tool, like pen tool, add anchor point tool, and delete anchor point. In this pen tool have add anchor point tool and delete anchor point tool and anchor point tool. Okay, and they all have shortcut keys. And I always tell again and again, you don't use when any tool or when any any tool and anything have a shortcut key, then you also use shortcut key, not use mouse. Okay, so our pen tools or shortcut key is P, and add anchor point shortcut key, pen tool shortcut key is plus, delete anchor point shortcut key is minus, and anchor point tool shortcut key is shift C. Okay, so their text tool and text tool also have additional tool. Right click there, see there the additional tool all: area type tool, type on path tool, vertical type tool, vertical area type tool, vertical type on path tool, touch type tool. These are many thing. Right click here have additional, also have additional menu, tool, additional tool. So they're all have additional tool. They're all options. All tools have additional tools. No, or don't, or not all tools. Like which tool have these types of arrow. Those tools have additional tools. Okay. So Before so before using selection tool, we use this rectangle tool. Okay, we use this rectangle tool. Yeah, right click there, that's a rectangle tool. Rectangle tools shortcut key is M. Okay, so rectangle tool shortcut key is M, and you use rectangle tool, and now click your mouse and uh, drag it for rectangle tool. See, drag there. You see this explain very help of our explain. Now we zoom this page. Okay, click control plus. See these types of symbol, it's rounded. Now you see how they work. Okay, when you drag this symbols, then your um, um, and you see this option, that's curve your point. Okay, curve your rectangle tools point. Okay, so control minus for a zoom in, zoom out this, and click control Z for one step, two step, or for back your steps. And when you click shift control Z, then come back your steps. Okay, control Z for back, control shift control Z for yes. Okay, when you select this and click there, don't drag. Only click and leave. When you select this, only click and leave. It will ask you for the size itself. Okay, itself will ask you for the size, its width or height. Width is 542 pixel and height is 440 pixel. You also use another size. We click okay. Okay, that's the size. Yeah, we click this, and now we click in select tool. Okay, so see, select tool actually look like move tool and work like move tool. You move this there. Okay, now we copy this now we copy this rectangle, click alt and click, see, copy this layer, and now we click control D, control D for copy. Okay, alt for one copy and control D for this type of same copy. Okay, now we click in we click in selection tool. Now click in outside and cover this all and select this and click alt. When you click alt and see this two type of, they have two arrow, means it's copied. Okay, now we click one more, control D. That's all. Our page have all the rectangle, many rectangle here. Now we select all. Okay, now see there, the two is color options. Okay, this black color option for border. First we zoom in this, zoom, see, a border have black, their stroke for there also have their this option, and this type of option, this color option have same work. Okay, there is option of stroke for your stroke look bold or light. Okay, now you create 4, click bold, and now click this there, this for border or hairline. Okay, this option for border or hairline, see this, we click this red and see all hairline is convert in red. Now use also use black, so use black. Okay, see all convert to black. And you, when you don't need outline, then you also click this none option, and it's vanish your all outline. Also click this option for come back your hairline. Bold this is through 3pt, and their option of uniform, and some option for change this, see change this their option, this type of option. See, that's a change for hairline. This option you have change for hairline, your hairline or designs. See, you also use this. Okay, and their basic option like basic some brushes option. There is opacity for see, opacity for light color or vanish your color. See, and when we click 100, then come back your black color. Okay, that's a style option. That's for style. And that's align option, middle, horizontal align and horizontal align center. There is a there's a brochure. This all option for text, or you text your paragraph or work in text. Okay, there is a fill option. Okay, the fill option for fill color in your boxes. You know which box we have colored our boxes. We'll see the color or boxes around near the, so we take black color. Click OK. Let's change color black. Okay, now click in outside. Now we click in this one rectangle. Now click shift and one more, and shift. See, we select this some rectangle in this all black lines, black rectangles, and this convert this color in red. Okay, see, this color convert in red. So that's how we use selection tool in this type. Okay, now use one more tool is rounded or polygon tool. Now we use polygon tool. There is you see one all shape, rounded, rectangle tool, ellipse tool, and star tool, fair tool, polygon tool. So its tools is all is very useful in your Illustrator. Illustrator actually all tools is very useful. Now use polygon tool. Okay, that's a polygon tool. That's you click and insert. See there, their polygon tools have sides of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 side. We don't need standard 6 side of polygon tool. We need just 4 type. Okay, now first delete this and click only click and leave this. And now the see side is 4. Okay, now you click okay. See, that's a 4 side. Now it's rotate this. Sorry, not rotate like this. This not perfectly rotate. Now you can right click in your mouse and there you use transform. There is rotate, reflect, scale, share, more option, transform, move. When you move this, then it's move there. Okay, click okay. See, move there. Now we click transform and rotate. There the ask you for angle. You we use 90 degree. Click OK. That's 90 degree. That's reflect. The reflect option is horizontal and vertical. Use vertical. Click OK. And now horizontal and OK. Then one transform option is scale. The scale option uniform, non-uniform, and scale corner, scale stroke and effect and all. And there one more option is scale share, like share like horizontal, vertical, this angle. And okay, now is reflect this, reflect, see angle and click OK. See, reflect it. Okay, and you reflect this above like this. Okay, now you go in selection tool. Sorry. When you want to size is this size is big, you want to the same rotation and same types in small, then you don't click your you don't only click your mouse and here and or this type. It's your shapes is it's a shape is spoiled. Your shapes gone wrong. Now you what you use you now you can use click control or click shift and drag it. Now one more, click shift and drag this types. Now drag there. Okay, the rotation is 255 to 225 degree. Now click alt for copy this, and when you click alt and your draw line is not um, straight, now you can click alt, you click alt and drag it and click shift, you click shift, now your line is straight. Okay, now you click Control D, Control D, and you select that's all, select that all, now click alt, Control Z, click alt, delete this, and now click Control D. Oh, sorry, don't click here and click alt, now click Control D. Okay, now we click this layer and click alt, and you also use shift. Okay, now click Control D. Okay, now see, now I select all and give stroke is 6 and a fill color black. Now I select shift, 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 and convert this selection is other copies, copy, let's click OK. See, so their own option is direct selection. What is direct selection? When you use this direct selection tool, then you um, first you learn first you will learn this now today's you learn selection tool and rectangle, ellipse, rectangle and polygon tools, and this all tools look you use this all is shapes, all layer about shapes. So I hope you learn it and practice it. Okay, thank you.